Hello everybody and welcome back, and in this one we are going to be learning about how to fix the Roshade not working in Roblox. So many of you might have that issue that Roshade shader pack is not working properly or as it should be. So the first step is obviously just uninstall your shader pack and reinstall it. So I have already downloaded it, so you can see in my downloads you should be able to see that I have so reinstall it. Make sure that if when you are installing it your game is closed, so simply double click on your shader pack, click on install, and all of these settings, let's go through these and click on install. And even if it is not working after reinstalling, then you should simply head over to your game file directory. So simply head over to open file location on the game, and here as you can see we have the game launcher. Right click on that and click on show more properties and head over to properties, and from here you can see we have this compatibility option. So make sure to run compatibility troubleshooter, or even if that doesn't work, make sure that click run in this program in compatibility mode, and make sure to check your internet connection speed as well. So this is head over to a speed test and click on that. So make sure that your internet service provider is working properly fine. So most of the time you might have some signal issue or stuff like that, so just run a speed test and check out for yourself if your speed is working fine. And if all of these are working perfectly fine, then you should have your shader pack should be working perfectly fine in your game. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to like, share, and thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.